Hi guys, we're back again, and we rolled on Innocence. So sorry for my name on the description. Sorry guys, that's wrong. I never really played Geometry Dash. Okay, sorry for that guys. Okay, for now, it continued Murder Mystery 2. And let's go, go hide here in the bushes. Do you see me guys? Do you see me guys? I'm here. Okay, just wait guys. Let's find the merds. And if I find the gun. Oh, there's the sheriff. I guess I'll follow him. Or maybe not. Oh yeah. Wait there. I'm following her. In case if she dies, I will get the coins. Let's hide for a moment to see what's happening. Okay, now it's my opportunity. Hey, why you cannot move? Okay, it's my opportunity now. No. Okay. I guess we have a pancake in our hands. Please, Lord. I miss. My mom's kinda homeless. Guys, can you remind me where's the sheriff? In the comment below. To see him. Guys, if you remember him, check the comments in there. And please like and subscribe. I love you all guys. And this is my new. I am new here, sorry. And also guys, there's the merge. Sorry guys. See you next time. Bye. Subscribe and like.